Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Abiram. A long time ago, during Israel's journey through the wilderness, there was a man named Abiram, whose name meant "My father is exalted." Abiram was from the tribe of Reuben, one of the oldest tribes of Israel. He was a leader and had influence among the people. But sadly, Abiram allowed pride to fill his heart. One day, Abiram joined a man named Korah, along with Dathan and On, in a rebellion against Moses and Aaron. They complained, saying, "Why do you set yourselves above the Lord's people? Aren't we all holy?" They no longer wanted to follow the leaders God had chosen. Instead of being thankful for God's guidance, they began to desire power and control. Moses was deeply saddened. He knew this rebellion was not against him, but against God Himself. Gently and humbly, Moses fell on his face and prayed. He told the people that the Lord would show whom he had truly chosen to lead. Moses warned Abiram and the others to repent, but they refused to listen. Pride had blinded them. Then something happened that everyone would remember forever. The next morning, the people gathered to see what God would do. Suddenly, the ground beneath Abiram, Dathan, and their families split open. The earth swallowed them alive, and the ground closed over them. Everyone around fled in fear, knowing that God had shown His power and judgment. Abiram's story is a serious warning about pride and disobedience. His name, "My Father is Exalted," could have been a reminder to honor God as the true Father who deserves all praise. But instead, Abiram exalted himself rather than God. From the story, we learn that true greatness comes from humility and obedience, not from seeking position or power. God calls us to respect those He appoints and to serve others with a humble heart. When we follow God's will and walk in faith, He lifts us up in His own time. Abiram's fall teaches that pride leads to destruction, but humility brings life. God honors those who trust and obey Him with a sincere heart. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.